Hey, it's Anissa. Today I have for you a great knife sharpener, and what I really like is the manufacturer has even included this cut-resistant glove absolutely free. But the knife sharpener is really the belle of the ball. It will sharpen just about any knife, and you can even sharpen scissors. For me, what sets this apart is the simplicity of it. You've got two slots, a coarse and a fine. Now the coarse is for sharpening your blade, and then the fine side is used for honing. Now if you're like me, you didn't know what honing was, and I found out it's really important for maintaining your knife. Think of it as aligning the blade. This is also very comfortable to use. Your hand fits right on it, and you can use your cut-resistant glove to further protect you. Plus, it's got a non-stick bottom, which keeps it safely in place. I mentioned this is fantastic. You can even take a dull butter knife and make it sharp enough to cut through a tomato easily. The modern design fits any kitchen, and it takes up little space so you can throw it in the drawer. Now let's talk a little bit about the cut-resistant glove. These alone can sell for as much as $10, but you're getting that free with this knife sharpener. And these are great to use not only to protect yourself while you're sharpening, but when you're cutting and chopping, wear this on your opposite hand and you're not gonna cut or nick yourself. Knife sharpeners like this can cost a small fortune, but when you really think of it, it's worth it because you can take an old, dull knife and make it practically new. But you're not gonna pay a small fortune for this knife sharpener. We made a special deal direct with the manufacturer that gets you the knife sharpener and the glove for an amazingly low price. But we have a limited amount, so make sure you head on over to the site and grab yours today.